Alright, just fired up. We'll go ahead and zero return. Yeah, now that that's done, I'll move you in a little bit. Very brief sample program. Go ahead and start that now. Tool orientation, tool change, quick milling pass. I'll go ahead and show you that tool changer from another angle. And this is a 30 position ATC magazine. Back here on the front of the machine. Again, here's the 520 control from Mitsubishi. Manual pulse generator. On the table here we've got a full set of manuals, some retention knobs. This machine has been backed up, all set to go. Alright, real quick so you can hear the spindle run through the RPM range. Start off at 1,000 RPM. Jump up to 2. Jump up to 3. And 4. We'll jump straight to 6. And finally 8,000. As you can hear, it sounds good. No vibration whatsoever, no rumbling or grumbling. Just as you'd expect. I'll go ahead and stop it. Dual chip augers here on both sides of the table. Help discharge the chips to the chip conveyor. I'll go ahead and turn that on manually. And over on the electrical cabinet side,